Hello everyone, my name is Parsa and today we are going to learn the transversals and parallel lines from lesson 2.3, the Algebra 1 book. So we got an essential question for you, like how can you prove and use theorems about angles formed by transversals that intersect parallel lines? So now we have a question like, what is a transversal line? Here we got some of the definitions of them, and a transversal line is a line that intersects two coplanar lines that at two different points. So as you can see here, we got a graph, and as you can see this red line, it's called a transversal because it intersects two parts away. And we got P and Q, so it intersects P and Q and makes two different sides. Now we got corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of intersected lines and they are congruent. So for corresponding lines we can say angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding because they are congruent and they have the same amount of degree. And for the same side interior angles, now what is the same side interior angles? They lie on the same sides of the intersected lines. They lie on the same side, they lie on the same side of transversal and between intersected lines. And they're supplementary. So we told that supplementary is like the total of two angles that form a 180 degree. So for same interior angles, we got angle 3 and angle 6. That they make 180 degree. And we got more tools, for example angle 4 and 5, which will be this one, these two. Now we got alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are non-adjacent angles, so it means that they are not adjacent and that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. They lie on the opposite side of the transversal. They're congruent too. So now let's see what can we say for alternate interior angles, and we can say, for example, angle 3 and 5. Even though they are congruent, but they are on the same different positions. For example, this one is at the right of the transversal line and this one is at the left. And alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles lie on opposite side of the transversal and outside the intersected line. So outside, it means that they are exterior. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. They're congruent too. So we can say, for example, angle 1 and angle 7. They're congruent and they're outside the transversal line. So now let's see like where are interior and where are exterior. So as you can see here, inside, this is called an interior because it's inside the line Q and P. And we got outside, or even here, we can say it is interior. Interior lines. And for exterior, so it means outside, doesn't it? Exterior means like angle 1, or we can say this outside part 1 and 7. Exterior. So that's what the key topics for this lesson, transversals and parallel lines. Hope you get a good lesson from this and make a good one.